Okay, today we'll be learning about prime numbers. So prime numbers. So first I will start off with some characteristics of this. Okay, a prime number is actually is also a whole number, which means not a fraction. And another thing about prime number is that it is greater than 1. Finally, there's also another last point about prime numbers is that it has only 2 factors, and these 2 factors are 1 and itself. Okay, I'll show you an example and it will be clearer to see all these characteristics of it. Okay, so actually I might not give you an example, but more I would show you what are prime numbers. So prime numbers starts from 2. So 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, and there's many more, but I would like to just explain it first. Why are all these prime numbers? So you see, the first thing to note that is a whole is greater than 1 and a whole number. There's no fractions here, and it's all greater than 1. So this also means that 0 and 1 are not prime numbers. It starts from 2. So you see 2, 3, but 4, why is it not inside? Okay, let me explain. So you see, factors of 2 is 1 and 2, correct? If you're still not so sure about factors, you can look at my previous video on that. So let me see, factors of 3, it will just be 1 and 3. Okay, let's see if it satisfies all these conditions of prime numbers, right? So prime number 2 is a whole number, it is greater than 1, and it has 2 factors, 1 and itself, which is 2, right? Factors of 3, 1 and itself, 3. Okay, now let's move on to factors of 4. When you find out factors of 4, there will be, because 2 times 2 is also 4, 1 times 4 is 4. So the factors will be 1, 2 and 4. A prime number has only 2 factors, but you see there are 3 factors for this. So 4 is not a prime number. Okay, so 4 is not a prime number. So when we see 5, we will get the same thing, 1 and 5 only. There's no other numbers that there are no other factors. There's only 2 factors. So all these prime numbers, let me go on. A simple way you can determine prime number is this way. So it always starts from 2, right? So 2, you go on to 3, you type 3, and then 4. Think about 4. It's an even number, so it can be divided by 2. So it will definitely have more than 2 factors, right? Because the 2 factors will be already 4 and 1, and then if you can divide by 2, there will be an additional factor in there. So we wouldn't write 4. 5, okay, yeah, it only can divide up by 1 and 5. 6 can be divided 2, so it's out. 7, no, 7 is a prime number because it can't be divided by anything else other than 7 and 1. Okay, we can continue, and these are some of the numbers that you get. You can try this exercise and see where it goes. Yeah, so that's about it for prime numbers. Hope you understand how the characteristics of prime number and how you can identify them. For example, sometimes they would give you a number and ask you whether they are prime or not. So it's important to know how to identify prime numbers. So that's about it. Thank you, and see you in the next video.